Have you ever heard the saying, first impressions are everything? Today, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful psychology trick called the halo effect to instantly appear more attractive, confident, and trustworthy, especially in dating. One simple change can make a huge impact. The halo effect is a psychological bias where one positive trait like being well-dressed makes others assume you have other great qualities too. So if someone sees you as confident, they're more likely to also think you're smart, kind, or successful, even if they know nothing about you. So how do you apply the halo effect in dating? Here are 3 easy and effective ways. 1. Dress with clean style. People judge you within the first 3 seconds. That means your clothes, hair, and scent matter big time. Looking clean and put together instantly gives the impression that you're kind, organized, and even emotionally stable. 2. Smile and use eye contact. A natural smile gives off warmth and trust. Add a bit of confident eye contact, and now you look secure, kind, and trustworthy. Confidence is attractive and contagious. 3. Use positive language. Avoid negative words in early conversations. Instead of saying, I'm tired or I'm busy, try, it's been a productive day. Positive language leaves a lasting impression. When used right, the halo effect helps you stand out fast in the best way possible. Start with strong first impressions, and everything else gets easier. So if you're ready to level up your dating game with real psychology, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you very much.